everyone, welcome back to another video of us sharing what we bought with our money. And this is not sponsored, it's not a promotion, it's not anything that was sent to me PR. This is just something that I bought on my own time. So TikTok, right, sends these little ads out on their little streaming service, and I spend a lot of time on TikTok. Let's talk about that. Out of everything that I look forward to, out of every day of the week, my time is spent on TikTok. When I am not working to provide for my family, when I'm not cleaning my family's mess, when I'm not doing something for somebody else, I am on my couch in my PJs watching TikTok. I actually have socks that say, if you can see this, I'm watching TikTok. That's just who I am. And to be completely honest, I wasn't a TikTok fan up until about a year or two ago. I didn't realize how funny a 30-minute video or a 30-second video sometimes can really help your day. But anyway, so then I found TikTok Shop. Let's talk about that. Y'all know what you're doing when you put these ads out. Y'all content creators, you know what you're doing when you entice us. And then when you get big girl money, and big girl money allows you to do big girl things, you buy things late at night. Or you tell your husband that you saw this because you don't want to necessarily buy it for yourself because you've already bought for yourself a few times this month. So you tell your husband, oh, hun, I saw this on TikTok and I really would wonder what that would look like. And then the sugar on the icing is it's one of his favorite cartoons. Rick and Morty. So it made sense. It's a win for him, but an even bigger win for me, right? Because it makes sense. Find something he likes that he's interested in, and then he'll buy it for me. And he did, so it worked. So, this is the new Rick and Morty times Glamlite. Their palette. Look at that packaging, you guys. Seriously, look at her. She is everything she is giving. She is textured on the front. It is so pretty. This is a 30 shade palette, you guys. 30 shades. I mean, you could literally wear a different shade every day of the month. That is crazy. And that's only the box. So I don't usually keep the boxes that the palettes come in, but this one is probably going to wind up being kept. It's just because it's that pretty. So we're going to take her out. We're going to show the back of it. And then this is the front. And the front of the packaging, as you can tell, is almost identical to what you actually get in the box, what actually is on the front of the palette. I am super excited about this because I've literally been tracking this package since my husband told me he bought it. So I've been literally tracking it 3 times a day to see if it's moved. So, I mean, that is everything, right? The packaging alone is beautiful. I mean, for nothing else, the packaging. So then, oh my god. Oh, y'all. This is crazy. Look at that. She has everything. That is so freaking pretty. That is so pretty. Oh my god. And if you look close enough, it's like little Morty right there in the eyeshadow. And little Rick. That is so cute. Now, mind you, some of these colors are a little bit different than what I'm typically used to wearing. I am a bronze natural girly, so some of these colors that are in the blues or the purples or the lilacs are so off balance for me. but we're going to go a little outside of our comfort zone and we're going to try these because this is just the prettiest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. This is literally the prettiest thing. Besides my iconic palette, which I keep pointing out to you guys, this is literally going to be everything. So I'm going to try a quick swatch. We're not going to go through the whole thing just because I want to look at it for a little bit longer before we start using it. So I really like this purplish pink up here in the corner. I like this guy here and this guy. So let's try a quick swatch of that. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Look at that. Look at how pretty. Oh, wow. And then his neighbor right next to him. Wow, you guys. I mean, these are so gorgeous. We'll try a matte black. Wow, that is really dark. Wow. This is so pretty. Again, look at that. Look at how pretty. Look at how gorgeous that is. I mean, that is so pigmented. Some eyeshadow palettes will only be colored, like they'll have the glitter on the top, like it's a spray facade. This actually is in the product itself, so that is really cool. Big shout out to Glamlite. You guys really killed it with this Rick and Morty palette. Thank you guys so much for showing up for this unboxing. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye, guys. So, TikTok, right?